umpire on his debut. Nice flowing drive, and it's just going to reach the boundary for the first one. This.
Oh, lovely delivery. Fantastic stuff. Bit of turn. A little shove forward.
Down the wicket, gives him the charge. And that's resulted in a delectable looking shot. Crashed it down the ground for 4. Fine, there you go. Again, use of the fit. Struck well. Beautifully done. Lovely foot movement onto the pitch and smashes it.
And then
That's magnificent. What a strike. That's gone all the way. A brilliant. By only test. Caught by Walton. Another big one. It's going up. There's a fielder coming around and getting hold of it. Wonderful catch. Keep focused all the time. Oh, goodness. That's possibly going to be a signal to no ball. Yes, it is. Just.
lovely shot. Reach into the pitch of the delivery, and it should find himself to go match victory against Ireland. Short one. Put away. Gets the treatment. Short. Didn't pick it up, but it is in the gap. Doesn't matter. 4. 4 to finish the over. Like Mahmudullah. Oh, he's aced it straight away. What a change. It was short. He took the bait and straight into the hand.
Well, you can see. Just come back to that in a moment. Oh, that's hit brilliantly over the top. Truly struck. Just a shimmy down the wicket, going to the pitch of the ball, lofting it. Well, that's going through that gap. That threaded the needle very well, that. 4 runs.
Oh, he's very nice.
Again, lovely use of the field. Look at that. He detected the flight of that ball straight away, and what a wonderful movement. All the
all the way on the onside. Very nicely for a boundary. Nice shot by Ramat Shah. He moves into the 80s. 81 off 135. Very wide and loose by Shakib. Shakib hasn't been at his best at this day. You know, we see
wickets. Cut away. There's not too much width given there. We've talked all afternoon about how strong he is in this area. Backward of point on the offside. Ramat Shah, and he collects another boundary.
moves into the 90. Strong area for him. Anything short and wide, he plays it beautifully, doesn't he? Deep in his crease and cuts it away from that fielder. And once he gets past the fielder, there is no stopping the ball from the boundary.
Close to you. Wonderfully played. He knows the man is behind point on the offside, so opens the face and just lets the ball glide down to that vacant third man area for 4.
Lovely piece of timing from Ramat Shah. Didn't try to hit it too hard. A hint of a ball just moving away after pitching. And he races over to the boundary. Really good piece. Again. Same result. He's been very good. He's hardly missed out anything which has been bowled wide. Lovely shot. Really good touch from Ramat Shah.
You really can't afford to give him any sort of width, especially if the ball is slightly short on the offside. Ramat Shah, very, very strong in that area. Whether it's faster bowlers or spin bowlers.
Very good work from both these batsmen. Looked like he wanted to come down the track. It's a big mix-up. Needs a direct hit. Just goes past the stumps. Was an opportunity there. 186 for 3.